3. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zapier agent. First, sign into your Zapier account and open the Agents section from your dashboard. Click Create Agent to start building a new AI agent. Next, give your agent a descriptive name and write clear instructions explaining what you want it to do. Define the agent's role, the types of tasks it should handle, and the expected responses so it can perform consistently. After that, connect the apps and tools your agent will use. Choose the available actions, authorize the required accounts, and review the permissions to make sure the agent has access only to the tools it needs to complete its tasks. Now, test your agent by entering a few sample requests. Check that it understands your instructions, performs the correct actions, and returns accurate results. If necessary, update the instructions or connected tools and test again until you're satisfied with the performance. Finally, save and activate your Zapier agent. You can return at any time to edit its instructions, add more tools, or improve its capabilities as your workflows and automation needs grow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Zapier agent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.